Welcome to our channel Travel Vlog. Today I'm excited to take you inside one of the Jersey's most fascinating landmark, the Jersey Islamic Centre, and also known as Al-Aziziyah Masjid, the very first and only mosque in the Channel Island, situated on Poonah Road in St Helier, the capital of Jersey. This unique building originally opened in 1839 as the primitive Methodist chapel. After decades serving of the Methodist community, it opened its door to the island Muslim community in 2009, who began holding Friday prayer on the upper floor. In 2012, the building was purchased by the local Muslim community and transformed into Jersey's first official mosque. Inside, visitors find a warm wooden interior, complete with a raised platform, balcony seating, and a serene prayer space adorned with red patterned carpets and Arabic calligraphy. Beyond the prayer service, the Jersey Islamic Centre serves as a vibrant hub for the island's diverse Muslim community. It hosts daily prayer, Sunday classes for children, and regular open days to encourage interfaith dialogue and community connection. The mosque reflects the multicultural spirit of Jersey. I hope you like this video. Please like and subscribe our channel. Thank you.